Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Ipsita. How are you?
I am fine, sir. And you?
I too. Today we shall talk about the basic tips on how to write a better summary.
Well, sir, it would help me in coming examination.
Do you have interest on this topic?
Yes, I do.
Let me explain. The better way to write a summary. 1. Read the passage attentively. 2. Try to understand its concept. 3. Give a relevant title. 4. Select the important points of the passage. Write the summary in 1/3 of the original passage. So Ipsita. Look at the original passage. Here is the passage.
Here is the original passage. In ancient times, it took a long time to know what had happened in the neighboring villages. But today, newspapers provide us the information about all the incidents happening at every corner of the world. It is a storehouse of information and knowledge. By reading newspapers regularly, people improve their language ability and enjoy reading different articles on the literary pages of newspapers. It contains advertisements relating to employment, which enables the unemployed youth to know the details of job opportunities. It also helps in the promotion of trade and commerce. Newspaper is named as the fourth pillar of democracy. Public opinion is reflected in newspapers. It develops a good relationship between the ruler and the ruled. It is the mirror of the society. It contains the clear picture of the society. So, reading newspapers has become essential these days. The original passage is in 140 words. So, now let us know the Odia meaning of this passage. यार ओडिया अर्थ है ଅତୀତରେ ପଡ଼ୋଶୀ ଗ୍ରାମରେ କ'ଣ ଘଟିଥିଲା ଜାଣିବା ସମୟ ସାପେକ୍ଷ ଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜିକାଲି ଖବରକାଗଜ ବିଶ୍ୱର କୋଣ ଅନୁକୋଣରେ ଘଟୁଥିବା ସମସ୍ତ ଘଟଣା ଆମକୁ ଜଗାଉଛି। ଏହା ହେଉଛି ସୂଚନା ଓ ଜ୍ଞାନର ଗନ୍ତାଘର। ନିୟମିତ ଖବରକାଗଜ ପଢ଼ି ଲୋକେ ତାଙ୍କର ଭାଷା ଦକ୍ଷତା ବଢ଼ାଇବା ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ସାହିତ୍ୟ ସ୍ତମ୍ଭରୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଲେଖନୀ ପଢ଼ି ମନୋରଞ୍ଜନ ଉପଭୋଗ କରନ୍ତି। ଏଥିରେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ବିଜ୍ଞାପନ ମଧ୍ୟ ଥାଏ, ଯାହାକି ବେକାରୀ ଯୁବକଙ୍କୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ସୁଯୋଗ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିଥାଏ। ଏହା ମଧ୍ୟ ବାଣିଜ୍ୟ ଓ ବ୍ୟବସାୟର ଉନ୍ନତିରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଥାଏ। ଖବରକାଗଜକୁ ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ରର ଚତୁର୍ଥ ସ୍ତମ୍ଭ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। ଜନସାଧାରଣଙ୍କର ମତାମତ ଏଥିରେ ପ୍ରତିଫଳିତ ହୋଇଥାଏ। ଏହା ଶାସକ ଓ ଶାସିତଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସୁସମ୍ପର୍କ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କରିଥାଏ। ଏହା ସମାଜର ଦର୍ପଣ ଅଟେ। ଏହା ସମାଜର ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛ ଛବି ଧାରଣ କରେ। ତେଣୁ ଖବରକାଗଜ ପଢ଼ିବାଟା ଆଜିକାଲି ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଜରୁରୀ ଅଟେ।
Ipsita. I hope you are getting on, learning the skill of summary writing. So write the summary of the given passage.
I will try my best, sir, to do the same.
Thank you.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ସାମାରାଇଜ୍ କରିବା ସେଥିରେ ଯେଉଁ ମେନ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଅଛି ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ବାଛିବା। ତ ମେନ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ହେଲା ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ୍ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍, improves language, enjoyment, advertisement on job opportunities, helps trade and commerce, fourth pillars, mirror of society, essential to read. These are the main points in this passage. So now we have to summarize this passage in 1/3 words of the original passage. याकु जतले आमे सामारीर रूप दबा यार गोटे टाइटल आमको दबाक पड़ो। तो पेसेजर अर्थ रू जहाँ जना पड़ुची यार जो टाइटल हम ताहा ई प्रकार हो पारे इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ न्यूज़ पेपर्स। यार जो पैसेज टी आम लिखा ताहा यही प्रकार हो न्यूज़ पेपर्स प्रोवाइड डिफरेंट न्यूज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल इन पास्ट। इट हेल्प्स रीडर्स improve their language abilities and enjoyment through articles. Its advertisements on jobs help unemployed. It improves trade and commerce. It is the fourth pillar of democracy and mirror of society. Reading newspaper has been essential. एथिरे देखंतु 50 टी वर्ड अछि। हमर जो ओरिजिनल पैसेज थिला सेथिरे 140 टी वर्ड थिला ताकू हमें 1/3 रूप दे 50 वर्ड्स रे कंपोज कलु। तो दर्शक बंधु आशा करूची पैसेज को आमे जतले समराइज करूछु तार अर्थ प्रथमे आमे बुझी नवा सेथिरे थिबा मेन पॉइंट्स को सिलेक्ट करिवा तापरे ताकू गोटे टाइटल दे पैसेज टी लिखिवा।
Well done, Ipsita. Your summary writing is absolutely remarkable. I hope such writing would bring you 8 to 9 marks in summary writing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Wish you a great success in the coming HSC examination.
Thank you, sir.